I'm highly delighted to preside over this very important occasion of launching of the distribution of Ramadan Kareem palliatives for our people in MMC and Jere local government areas. The launching is an offshoot of the previous one held last year around this time during the COVID-19 pandemic lockdown. In this cycle of occasion, the distribution is expected to benefit 34,000 households across the 2 local government areas. Therefore, as much as possible, with the will of Allah, the less privileged among us will be provided with the Ramadan Kareem palliatives to ease life for them. It will be desirous at this juncture to inform the gathering that this noble sadaqat about to be distributed were donated by Dangote Foundation, AA Rano, Baba for All Initiative, Buhari Ramadan Kareem, led by Honorable Aminu Sani, then Nigerian Customs Services, NMPC. On behalf of myself, the government and the people of Borno State, I want to acknowledge with thanks all the donors for coming in at the most appropriate time of Ramadan to help our people, and pray that the Almighty Allah reward them abundantly. Amen. I also solicit our other well-to-do people to assist the less privileged among us to augment the effort of state government, which has not relented in providing humanitarian and other needs to the dear people of the state. I would like to urge the committee charged with the responsibility for the distribution of these items to do your best to ensure the overwhelming success in this assignment. And to the beneficiaries, I implore you not to sell any of these items, but to domestically use with your dear family. Furthermore, I request us all to continue with fervent prayers during the holy month of Ramadan to bring an end to this insurgency and other vices dwelling our state.